How to track your orders on AliExpress. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your AliExpress application. Then tap on your account icon from your bottom right corner. Now, in order to track your order, simply go to My Orders section and then go to Ship. Here, all the orders that you have placed will appear over here. Since I do not have any I do not have any orders in this account. The section is blank. But if you have orders placed, you will be able to see and track your orders from here. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.